What's going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and in particular Shibarium. We did kind of a deep dive into Shibarium and kind of where I would like to see it go in this bull run and how it could help the SHIB ecosystem. And actually came across some more information I wanted to share with you guys. Very interesting stuff, actually. Some record-breaking numbers for Shibarium in the last 24 hours. So make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video. We're going to break all of that down for you here in this one. Quickly, though, taking a look at the price of SHIB right now, we're sitting at about the 2.2 level right now. We did break support recently. We were holding it pretty nicely at about the 2.5 range. Unfortunately, we had the pullback in the overall market, and altcoins got hit pretty hard. And we're kind of finding a new floor here at 2.2 right now. We're still down about 11% in the last month. But if you zoom out a little bit and take a look at the last 3 months and 6 months, SHIB's still performing extremely well, right? Last 3 months up 132%, last 6 months up 231%. And if you take a look at when this whole rally really started, if we go back to right in here about February 19th, we saw a huge move where we broke a zero. And to the upside here for 16 straight days after my momentum up indicator flashed on XT-Algo, this is my trading software. By the way, you can get access to this, links down below. You can be using the same tools that I use. You could try it virtually for free for 30 days, guys. It's money back guarantee, 30-day money back guarantee. It's a little over $1 a day. Definitely give it a shot. Links down below in the description. We've got hundreds of people using it, and you could use this with crypto, stocks, Forex, commodities, like whatever you want to trade. And in 16 days, SHIB went up 340%. So if you like the sounds of that, there's a ton of altcoins that haven't moved yet, that haven't had these big parabolic moves, and we're going to see altcoin season. And a tool like this can help you maximize your gains. And you think like right now it's like a little under $40 to use it per month. If you make a couple successful trades using this tool, literally this thing's going to pay for itself 10 times over. So check out the links down below to my trading indicator. Definitely check that out. So let's take a look at the layer 2 Shibarium. So it's basically soared to impressive heights recently within the last 24 hours, nearing the 1 million transaction mark in kind of a surge that's kind of been abnormal a little bit. So if we take a look at Shibarium scan, data there reveals a staggering 228% increase in transaction volume within a 24-hour period. There was a period kind of after we launched, right, in early 2024, because we launched in August 2023, where we saw some really big numbers. It has since kind of dialed back. So this surge is pretty good to see because it's kind of coming out of nowhere. This remarkable milestone, it says, eclipses previous records set by Shibarium, with the last comparable feat recorded back in mid-March, where we saw about 1.04 million transactions on that day. So what's causing this? Honestly, there's nothing I can find that's like, we can pinpoint. I do think there's just kind of excitement around the L2. There's been more excitement around Ethereum L2s, I think, with the rise of Base. People are kind of looking at L2s. With Ethereum fees being so high, people are electing to kind of go toward L2s right now for their transactions. Basically, the other thing that Shibarium has going for it, recently they announced that they had a partnership with an AI crypto company, and they're looking to kind of branch out into AI. Of course, their overall goal, right, is to pretty much create a decentralized economy in every way we can think about it, right? So whether it's, your identity or basically anything that's related to the user, right, decentralize it. So how long can Shibarium maintain this? Well, we've seen it kind of ebb and flow for sure. I think we're kind of waiting to see what that big thing, that big push is going to be, or that big project that comes to Shibarium. I would like to see gaming be a big piece of that as well. They have somebody that works for SHIB in William Volk who has tons of experience. I got to meet him last year at ETH Toronto. He's coming over from Activision, 20 plus years experience in gaming. They've got one game out, obviously, but I would like to see them kind of grow an ecosystem of games. That would be, I think, huge use cases for Shibarium. For me personally, I think that's kind of the easiest path forward, but it'll be interesting to kind of see what dApps and things kind of come on chain there as we kind of move forward. It says here, the immediate future remains kind of, we're just kind of speculating. We don't really know. That the team hasn't talked a lot about some of the big partnerships they've had, but hopefully, right, like them being quiet is also them kind of head down, working, kind of finalizing big deals. And it says here the resilience and scalability of SHIB's blockchain infrastructure here just since August has been pretty impressive. But now we want to see kind of things really take off ahead of this bull run, because I do think L2s are going to be a thing for sure. And I think there could be a lot of winners here, right? We've seen what Base has done. We've seen what Arbitrum has done and Optimism. I think a lot can coexist here, and it'll be interesting to kind of see what Shibarium does to carve out its niche. So before we get up on out of here, do want to kind of link this page right here. This is Margex. So if you're looking to leverage trade, shout out to them too. We're in Dubai right now. Thanks to Margex, and a lot of us are out here getting ready for Token 2049. If you're looking to trade on leverage, this is the best platform to do it. Check out all my links down below. You can see Bitcoin is kind of at a crucial point right now, sitting on some support lines. So might be a time to take a long position if you're loving Bitcoin, if you're loving some other altcoins. Check out all the links down below to Margex. Appreciate you guys for watching.